a demonstration of how do you know if you have a bad inner tie rod would look something like this. As I was saying before, when you have a bad tie rod, it won't stay in position. See there? And you can wiggle it all around, no problem. If I let it go, it just flops down. Okay, that's no good. Now, this is a good tie rod. I can move it all around like this and it stays in position. I can't even with my hand bring it up really. It takes quite a bit of force. And so you can see that it's not moving at all. It's nice and firm, so that's what you want. You have this one. You have this one. Bad. Good. You don't want to be driving down the road trying to steer. That was this part here, so I'm not hitting the car. Okay, so you don't want to be driving down the road trying to steer your vehicle with that kind of steering mechanism. This is what you want. That's going to give you good quality steering and added comfort and peace of mind knowing that you are going to be able to control your vehicle with precision. It's not a hard thing to do to replace that, so make sure if you're doing your vehicle suspension work on your car that you're checking those things that are going to make a huge impact on your drivability. If you've got a slow leak in your tire, you could put air in it every few days, once a week or so. But if when you come out of your house and your car needs air every day, or when you get in your car after work and you need to put air in your tire, you need to go have that fixed. But when it comes to steering features, handling features, safety features, and yes, your tires are part of your safety, but sometimes you can have a slow leak that'll stay up for, once every week and a half, you might have to put a little air in it. You can work with that until you can get it to a shop. But if you're having problems with steering, your car is drifting left and right, you need to get that fixed really fast. All right, so Israel, that's what I was trying to show you here, is that inner tie rod is shot. And what'll happen is it'll get stiff at one point and then it'll slip through. And imagine if you're driving your vehicle and all of a sudden you have a slip. That could be a real problem. So make sure that if you're going to have an alignment done on your vehicle, and yes, after we complete this, I'll take and get it aligned, that you're having just an inspection, and they'll do that for you as they're doing working with your vehicle. Just tell them to check the suspension, check the ball joints, check the tie rod, things like that, and they'll do that normally for you. And because they want you to be safe as well out there on the road. Because you know what? At the end of the day, we all want to make it home and be with our family and loved ones. So God bless you all. Praise the Lord. Israel, we love you. And won't be too much long before you are a full-fledged United States Marine. Hoorah!